गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. पुन्हा आपण इंटेग्रेशन या टॉपिक मधले काही ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. इंटेग्रेशनच्या फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला नोन आहेत असं आपण सपोज करूया आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण पुढे जातोय. याच्यामध्ये मी फक्त एक डेफिनेशन रिवाइज करतो. डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू जी ऑफ एक्स. सपोज म्हणजे एफ ऑफ एक्स या फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जी ऑफ एक्स असेल तर याचं इंटेग्रेशन g of x is with respect to x it is f of x. This is the reverse definition. That is d by dx of this answer, then their integration of this again d by dx of this, that is integration g of x dx is equal to f of x answer. This is f of x, and we want one more, that is integration by parts. U v dx is equal to that is, we know this, u into integration v dx minus integration du by dx integration v dx again dx this is integration by parts. Now I am writing this in generalized rule of integration by parts, that is what integration u is equal to u as it is, then v1, then alternate minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 and minus alternate plus minus so on. That is again I write this generalized rule of integration by parts. प्रत्येक वेळी मी हा यूज करणार नाही, तर काही ठिकाणी मला हा यूज करावा लागेल. That is again it is generalized rule of integration by parts. Here first term u as it is v1, suffix indicates integration, it is integration, and dash indicates derivative. This dash indicates derivative. Suffix पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये काय u v1, u as it is v1, v चं इंटिग्रेशन v1, अल्टरनेट मायनस प्लस मायनस and so on. सेकंड मध्ये u dash, u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं तर टाकायचं u dash, then v1 इंटिग्रेशन v2 प्लस u double dash v3 and so on. म्हणजे एका u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेत जायचं, v चं इंटिग्रेशन घेत जायचं. पण पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये u आधीच ठेवायचं, त्याच्यानंतर u चे डेरिव्हेटिव्हज येतील u dash फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, सेकंड ऑर्डर and so on. v1 फर्स्ट इंटिग्रेशन, v चं इंटिग्रेशन, त्याच्यानंतर v2 v1 चं इंटिग्रेशन, v3 v2 चं इंटिग्रेशन and so on. I write one example, integration x square e raised to 3x suppose. Its integration this is u and this is v just. Then u as it is x square, u as the develop v1 e raised to 3x integration e raised to 3x upon 3, alternate minus x square derivative 2x, integration of this v1 चे इंटिग्रेशन घ्यायचं e raised to 3x upon 3 and original 3 9, परत 2x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह प्लस 2x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2 and e raised to 3x by 9 चे इंटिग्रेशन v2 चे इंटिग्रेशन v3 e raised to 3x by 27. ज्यावेळी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉन्स्टंट जाईल त्यावेळी स्टॉप करायचं. दिस इज इंटिग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, डायरेक्ट एका स्टेप मध्ये येतोय. दिस इज जस्ट इंटिग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स अँड डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन, जस्ट इंटिग्रेशन. Now I am coming to the first example. Now first example is what? Integration 1 plus x plus square root x plus x square dx divided by this dash is its integration is. Now integration of this I write integration this 1 plus x I write square root 1 plus x bracket square root and square cancel again original, therefore now second I take x as a common, but it is a square root, therefore square root x common, square root x out. Inside that is square root 1 plus x divided by root x plus square root 1 plus x dx. Numerator root 1 plus x common, that is root 1 plus x out inside the bracket. Here root 1 plus x and then root x remaining. That is root 1 plus x out, then root 1 plus x root x divided by root x plus root 1 plus x dx. Now these two are the same, bracket cancels. Now this integration square root means raised to 1 by 2, x plus 1 or 1 plus x, anything. Now integration raised to 1 by 2 x raised to n time, its integration is x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 reverse 2 by 3 x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 and plus the constant of integration. That is B option. B option. Next example, integration 1 upon x plus x raised to 5 dx is equal to f of x. या integration ची value f of x है. Then find out value of this. Then find out value of this. Now I write this. Integration I write x raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus x raised to 5. Adjustment numerator plus 1 minus 1 adjust केला. Now integration x raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1 divided by denominator I take x common 1 plus x raised to 4. 1 plus x raised to 4 dx. Denominator में x common, x out, 1 plus x raised to 4, then x raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1. Separate denominators, we get first 1 by x minus second x 1 plus x raised to 4. This is separate denominators. Now first integration 1 by x integration log x, and second is nothing but again 1 by x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus x raised to 4, means this is again original. This its integration is f of x minus f of x plus c. Second integration known as याचा integration f of x. Therefore answer is log x minus f of x plus c. Log x minus f of x plus c. That is A option. A option. Next example, integration log 3x upon x log 9x dx is equal to dash dash. Now I write this integration log ab. Log ab means log a plus log b. I write log 3 plus log x. Log 3 plus log x divided by x as it is. X as it is. Inside log 9x I write log 9 plus log x dx. Now I put this, put log x equal to t, log x equal to t, therefore 1 by x dx is equal to dt. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Then I write this log x as a t, log 3 plus t upon 1 by x dx. Dx upon x, that is dt, and this log 9 plus t dt. Now I write this t plus log 9 minus log 9 plus log 3. Adjustment denominator t plus log 9. Just adjustment. Now I write a separate denominator for this and separate denominator for this. Integration t log 9 upon t log 9, it is 1. Plus I write this log a minus log b. I take plus log a minus log b, log a by b, that is 3 by 9 upon t plus log 9 dt. 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3, 1 plus log 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 3 raised to minus 1 upon t plus log 9. Now this I write 1 minus log 3 minus power coefficient upon t plus log 9. Now integration of this, one integration just t minus its integration log t plus log 9, and t means again log, t means what, log x minus log 3 log t means log x plus log 9. And now again combine last bracket log x plus log 9x, it is log 9x, that is log 9x. Answer is log x minus log x दोन ठिकाणी b आणि c ला, log x minus log 3 log 9x. ये दोन्ही ऑप्शन एक सारखे झाले, इथं प्लस असेल log x minus log 3 log 9x. दिस बी ऑप्शन दोन्ही ऑप्शन एक सारखे, इथे मायनस आहे इथे प्लस आहे. Next example, integration sin raised to mx upon cos raised to m plus 2 dx x dx is equal to. Now I write sin raised to m upon cos raised to m. इकडे power m plus 2 आहे, separate cos square x dx. m plus 2 split केला cos raised to m cos square x, that is equal to sin by cos, it is tan raised to m x. 1 by cos square I write sec square x dx. Now I put tan x equal to t. Therefore sec square x dx dt. Sec square x dx has a dt and tan is equal to t integration t raised to m. T raised to m integration t raised to m plus 1 by m plus 1. And t means tan raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1. Ita A option. Next example, integration tan sin inverse x dx is equal to, we put this sin inverse x equal to t. Therefore x equal to sin t dx cos t dt. Integration becomes integration tan sin inverse x is equal to or t, therefore tan t, and this dx as a cos t dt. Tan means sin by cos, and this cos cancel, sin t. Integration sin minus cos t plus c. Now we want answer in terms of 1 x, in terms of x, that therefore resubstitute t is equal to, I write minus cos means square root 1 minus sin square, that is minus square root, sin means again x, 1 minus x square plus c, that is D option. Next example, integration x minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x dx dash dash. Answer of this question, we know that 1 minus cos x, I write x minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x, that is 2 times sin square x by 2, or it is equal to x minus sin x and then 2 sin square, it is cosec square x by 2 dx. That is by definition of integration. आता याच्यामध्ये कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तो येतो असं आपल्याला आन्सर काढायचा. आता कॉटचा तर येणार नाही, कॉटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस कोसेक स्क्वेअर x बाय 2 कॉट स्क्वेअर, इथं x मायनस sin x एक्स्ट्रा, त्यामुळे सी ऑप्शन येणार नाही. हे दोन्ही प्लस मायनस मध्ये एकसारखेच आहेत. टॅनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला तर सेक स्क्वेअर मिळेल, टॅनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सेक स्क्वेअर, आपल्याकडे कोसेक स्क्वेअर आहे त्यामुळे डी पण येणार नाही. राहिले दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज ए एंड बी. I take first this b, that is याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जर हे मिळत असेल तर आन्सर, that is I take derivative of this d by dx of this minus x cot x by 2 is equal to, so minus x, that is by using product rule again, this 1 and 2, minus x derivative minus 1 cot x by 2 as it is, minus x as it is, cot derivative minus cosec square x by 2. That is I write minus plus minus cot x by 2 x derivative minus 1 cot x by 2 as it is, then minus x, yes, minus cot x by 2, minus plus x cosec square x by 2. Now I want to write this multiplication inside I get x cosec square x by 2 minus sin x means 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 and this cosec square means upon sin square x by 2. One cancel with this, that is minus 2 times cos upon sin, it is cot x by 2, minus cot x by 2, x by 2 cosec square, that is cosec square, its derivative is, check, minus x, minus cot x by 2, then x derivative minus 1, then minus x as it is, cot derivative minus cosec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 is there, into 1 by 2. Therefore this 2 transfer here, minus 2 times cot x by 2 plus x cosec square x by 2, and this is there, minus 2 cot x by 2 x cosec square x by 2. that is B option. म्हणजे आपल्याला रिव्हर्स पद्धतीने पण जाता आहे. समजा एखादं इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येत नसेल तर आपण काय करायचं, याच्यामध्ये कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं तर हे याच्या बघायचं. मी काय केलं, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलं, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मला हे मिळतंय, हे सिम्प्लिफाय करून मिळतंय. मी रिव्हर्स टेक्निकने गेलो. बरेच क्वेश्चन इंटिग्रेशनचे यावेळी येऊ शकतात. आपल्या येत नसेल तर सरळ सरळ आपण काय करायचं, याच्यातला कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढून बघायचं, आन्सर मिळतंय का. दॅट इज बी ऑप्शन. Next example, f of x is equal to sin inverse x upon square root 1 minus x square. G of x is equal to e raised to minus sin inverse x. Then check the question first. Sorry, here sin inverse x, e raised to sin inverse x. Then integration f of x g of x dx is equal to, I write integration f of x e raised to sin inverse x into sin inverse x upon square root 1 minus x square dx. Now this is integration by substitution. sin inverse x टाकावं लागेल, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथं मेंटेन आहे, sin inverse x equal to t, that is 1 upon square root 1 minus x square dx as a dt, it is a dt. Then I is equal to e raised to t sin inverse as a t dx upon this, it is a dt. Now its integration by parts, generalized rule. This as a u, this as a v. U as it is t, e raised to t integration e raised to t, alternate minus t चा derivative 1, e raised to t चा integration e raised to t plus c, that is e raised to t, t minus 1 plus c, e raised to t means sin inverse, t means what, sin inverse x minus 1, e raised to sin inverse x minus 1, that is a option, that is a option. Next example, integration tan cube x sec cube x dx is equal to 1 by m sec raised to m minus 1 by n sec raised to n x plus c, then mn. m आणि n चे व्हॅल्यू विचारले, पॉवर मध्ये आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आहे. नाउ सिम्प्लिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस, I write I is equal to, I write 1 tan square 1 sec square, that is here tan cube, 1 tan remaining, sec cube 1 sec remaining. I write sec x and tan x, just rearrangements. Now it is equal to tan, I write sec square x minus 1 outside sec square sec x tan x dx. Now put sec x tan x is equal, sec x equal to t, sec x equal to t, then sec x dx, sec x tan x dx dt, it is dt. Then I becomes integration sec as a t square minus 1, this sec square as a t square sec x tan x dx dt. Now its integration, inside multiplication t raised to 4 minus t square, the integration is t raised to 5 upon 5 minus t cube upon 3 plus c, that is resubstitute t is equal to sec raised to 5 and sec raised to 3 minus here minus, therefore 1 by m 5 n as a 3, 5 3, that is a option, 5 3. Next example, integration 1 upon cos x minus cos square x dx is equal to dash dash, that is I write integration. I check example again. Yes, same. I write 1 upon cos x out, 1 minus cos x out, 1 minus cos x dx. Now I make adjustment. I write this 1 minus cos x plus cos x. Numerator adjustment. Denominator same, cos x 1 minus cos x. Separate denominators, we get separate denominators for first. याच्यासाठी मी separate denominator देणार, याला separate denominator देणार. That is For first separate denominator it is 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x, plus for second cos x out 1 upon 1 minus cos x dx. Cos 1 by cos it is sec x, plus 1 upon 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2. That is integration sec x plus 1 by 2 sin square it is cosec square x by 2. Now its integration sec x log modulus sec plus tan plus 1 by 2. Integration cosec square minus cot x by 2 upon coefficient 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel. Log sec x plus tan x minus cot x by 2. C option. Next example number 10. Integration 1 by x log x dx is equal to, yes, by substitution log x का डेरिवेटिव तो मेंटेन है, put log x equal to t. Log x equal to t 1 by x dx dt. Then integration becomes just log x as a t dt. Its integration t square by 2. Resubstitute t is equal to log x square by 2. D option.